Listing 3755 is a highly successful and well-regarded auto repair business with a central location in Tampa, Florida. Its specialty is repairs to fleet vans and commercially sized trucks. That's led to the development of over 20 established fleet accounts, which bring in consistent, profitable business. There's plenty of customer retail work performed as well, and that's earned the shop a 4.7-star rating on Google. The shop itself is 4,000 square feet and rests on close to a half acre of land. It features 7 bays and 7 lifts. The furniture, fixtures, and equipment included in the sale is worth $140,000. With over 250,000 people living within a 5-mile radius, this business is very well positioned for long-term growth. If you'd like more information on listing 3755, please call 800-565-1330 or email us at sales@AutoBizBrokers.com.